I'm Natalie Chapelle from Chapelle Turkeys. We are producing dressed poultry ready for the Christmas market. We've got a selection here for the show today, and we're aiming to take orders and different production through to Christmas basically. Agora have been fantastic, if I'm honest. We've received a huge amount of help from Glenn and Ellis in particular, but actually from the whole Agora team. As a whole, they've kind of helped us look at kind of the food hygiene side and everything we needed to do, from kind of one-to-one clinics through to group meetings, to kind of get us set up and taking on this amazing, huge opportunity really, which we probably wouldn't have done without the help of Agora. For the future, it's always to kind of expand and get bigger, if we were honest, but I think if we can have a brilliant 2 days and enjoy the weather, then I think we'll be really happy, to be honest with you.